Oris is quickly becoming one of the best do-it-all watch companies in the entire industry, and this time they created a spectacular rectangular dress watch. Welcome back to the channel for Right Time Watches here in Denver, Colorado. Today we've got the awesome chance to take a look at one of the brand new Oris Rectangular date models. The one I chose is the red because I think the color is striking beyond what some of the other ones can give us. Before we dig into all those details though, we'll invite you to subscribe to the channel so you catch all of our upcoming videos. This is a relatively small watch with a 25.5mm width, a 38.2mm lug-to-lug. It's just 10.1mm thick and powered by the ETA 2671 automatic. This watch has a very retro look and feel, and I think the red maroon color on this particular model really accents that beautifully. The case itself is all high polished stainless steel and is kind of like one big piece with the lugs just extending straight down from the same side of the case. I think Oris did a great job though with the sides of this case because we do have that lovely step down which gives an added element of visual interest to the side of the watch. The crown has a nice Oris signature but is not a screw down crown on this particular model. The sapphire crystal over top of this beautiful dial perfectly matches the ever so slight curvature of the case. I think this was a really impressive and possibly overlooked design element of this amazing watch. The design of this watch is just so well executed, and that's becoming more and more of a norm from Oris. Everything I've seen from them lately has been absolutely gorgeous and impressive for the price point. This one comes in at a little under $2,000 US. With that price point, we do get a mechanical movement, which you'll see when I flip the watch around. It's a very small ETA caliber, but it does have the signature automatic red rotor from Oris. I appreciate the addition of a mechanical movement in this watch. Oftentimes with these small rectangular pieces you'll see a quartz, but the reason we're all in this hobby, or at least most of us, is the fascination with the mechanics inside. This watch looks almost comically small on my 8-inch wrist, but it's built and made for people with a smaller wrist who really love that vintage size and dress watch aesthetic. I think it makes sense for those individuals as it's beautiful, it's affordable, and it's got a wonderful brand behind it. With other alternatives to the rectangular watch coming from the likes of Cartier and JLC, this watch is a really great value proposition as you get a trustworthy mechanical movement with a beautiful brand and great construction. I think this watch is a great addition to a vast catalog that comes from Oris. They've got great dive watches, amazing sports watches, pilot models, and to add this fun rectangular dress watch to their catalog is a great move from the brand. When you think of rectangular watches, there's a few models that you really think of first, but this one from Oris should certainly become a household name. If you'd like to purchase this watch or any of our others, please visit us at righttime.com or give us a call. We're always happy to help. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time at Right Time.